Although it may not seem like, there is lots to learn about using tables in Excel. Let's get started. An Excel table consists of rows and columns. Tables are used to organize all kinds of data, whether numbers, text, or other data types. Once we have input data into our worksheets, it's good to consider formatting this data as a table. Why is this helpful? Tables can enhance the look and feel of our worksheets while making them easily identifiable. Tables also help us organize content and make data easier to use. They are easy to modify and use for data analysis, such as sorting, filtering, and creating charts. Excel has various built-in table styles and table commands that allow us to create tables quickly. Here's a worksheet with some data on it, and although it looks like a table, it's not formatted as one. To format a data range as a table, just select the cells you want to include in the table and click on Format as Table in the Home ribbon. A drop-down will appear showing many table style options. Choose any one you like by clicking on it, and don't worry, you can change the style of your table again anytime. Now a dialog box will then appear to confirm the cell range you have selected. If you want your header row to stand out, just leave this box ticked. When you click OK, your cell range will be formatted as a table in the style you have chosen, and your headers will be formatted in a different style from the rest of your data if you ticked the header option in the previous dialog box. When you format your cell range as a table, you will see the filter drop-down arrows automatically added to column headers. Now it's very easy to resize your table or add data to it at any time, and there are a couple of ways to do this. If you want to add a new row of data, you can simply start typing a value in any cell in the row below directly underneath the table. Excel will automatically include this row in your table in your chosen table style. This works the same way for new columns. Just type in the data in the column directly to the right of your table, and Excel will expand your table range. Now, if you want to expand your table by several rows or columns, just place your mouse at the bottom right of your table, and it will convert into a two-headed arrow, which is the table resizing icon. To add a column, just drag this icon to the right, and likewise, to add a row, drag it down. We can also use this handle to remove columns or rows and make our table smaller by dragging it left or up. Now, anytime you have your table selected, a Design tab will appear in the ribbon. You can format your table further using the commands in this tab. To change the style of your table, just click on the Table Styles drop-down to see all styles. If you mouse over any style, you will be able to preview what your table will look like before choosing a new style. Excel makes it very easy to change and apply formatting styles to tables, which is another benefit of formatting a cell range as a table. Now in the middle of the Design tab, you will see this Table Style Options group. These commands allow you to further customize your table. For example, if we tick the Total Row box, a total row will be added to our table and any figures will be calculated automatically. If we click on the total cell, we can see the formula Excel has used in the formula bar and edit it if need be. Now, if we want the first or last columns in our table to be formatted in a special style, we can tick these boxes. Let's click on Last Column and see what happens. Excel has made the values in our last column bold, and they stand out from the rest of our table. Now just be aware that all of these style options will look a bit different depending on the table style you are working with. So it's a good idea to experiment so that you find what you like most. We can even name our tables, which allows us to reference tables easily when needed. In the Properties group on the left of the Design tab, just type in a name for your table. Now if we go to the Name bar and click on the downward facing arrow, we will see our table name listed. If we click on it, our table cell range will be selected on our worksheet. Another really cool thing that many people don't know is that if you insert a formula into one cell in a table, Excel auto-populates the values for the rest of the rows. Let's just extend our table by one column. Now in cell F4, for demo purposes, let's tell Excel to multiply cell D4 by E4. The moment we press enter, not only will F4 display the result, but all the cells in that column will show results. If we look at the formula bar, we can see that Excel has recognized that the formula in column F should be column D multiplied by column E. This adds to the beauty and convenience of using tables in Excel. If for any reason we want to revert to the way our original data was presented, we can remove tables at any time without affecting any data on worksheets. To remove a table, just click on any cell within your table and then click on Convert to Range in the Design tab. Excel will ask you to confirm that you want to revert to the normal range, so just click Yes. Your cells will still have the style formatting applied to them, but are no longer a table. We know this because the filter drop-downs have disappeared from the column headers, and so has the Design tab from the ribbon. Now we can remove cell formatting by selecting our data, going to the Home ribbon and clicking on Clear and then Clear Formats. Tables increase functionality and convenience within Excel, and it's good to experiment with them so you can familiarize yourself with all they have to offer and discover table styles that suit your purposes best.